Hello, today we're going to, today is filter cutting day. We do this periodically every 60 to 90 days on the lots of filters that we get in from our distributors. We want to make sure that our customers are fully aware of what they're buying from us, our genuine OEM factory filters. So let's get to it. As you can tell, we have cut this Samsung 1 O-ring version OEM filter in half lengthwise. Let's open up the plastic casing here. And as you can tell here, folks, we have a very good, high quality carbon block. This is the actual material that the manufacturers use to filter all the impurities and total dissolved solids and everything we need to have for clean, healthy drinking water. This indeed is an OEM authentic factory filter. So this distributor that we order from consistently has proven to us once again they sell nothing but authentic factory OEM filters. Thank you.